Today we are going to be taking a test drive and walking around this 1988 GMC Short Box Pickup. Arkansas truck that was fully restored approximately 3 years ago. About 2,500 miles on the mechanical restoration as well as the cosmetic restoration. Beautiful truck.
Yeah, very solid too. If you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, check out how solid the box and the floorboards and everything are. Just a really good looking turnkey truck. It's got a really nice blue metallic paint. It's all been wet sanded and buffed. Cowl hood gives it a nice look. Air conditioning's all hooked up. Power steering, disc brakes. And they did a nice job as far as on the firewall and all that kind of stuff too. Painted the bottom of the hood nicely. Blue interior. Really nice straight truck. Love what they did to the exhaust and the roll pan. We got this little truck in. We gave it a light wet sand and a buff, and it looks fantastic. The GMC lettering on the grill is original, so that's showing a little wear. Other than that, the front bumper and the rest of the chrome around the headlights is excellent. As we go along here, it looks like the grill is brand new. We do have some photos of the restoration as well. That was sent to me, so we can get those to you. Tire treads in great shape. 275 60 15s. As we go along the bottom of the truck, the bottom of the front fender is great. Rocker panel, bottom of the door. And check out how the door fits against this cab corner. Just really nice job there. Again, the clear coat's been buffed to a beautiful shine. Back tire treads in great shape as well. Inside the rear fenders, leaf spring, I mean, just all of it is super solid. As we go inside here, corner of the door is perfect. Never had any issue there. Door jamb paint's just as nice as the paint on the outside. All new rubbers and gaskets when the paint job was done 3 years ago. Does have the bucket seat console, which is nice. Carpet's in excellent shape. Door panels are original, so if a guy wants to really make this truck perfect, door panels could use to be redone. There's some scuffs in them. Locks work, power windows work good. It's got a JVC CD player in it. There's a little wear on the driver's seat, but the passenger seat looks great. Dome light works, headliner's nice and tight, visors are good. Really, the more I go around this truck, Dalton, I love it. It's a great truck.
Love what they did with the back bumper too. I'm sure you mentioned that.
I did. I really like the roll pan back there. Tailgate actually lines up really nice on the top.
And other than the roll pan and the the cowl hood, it was really restored to stock.
Yeah, it was. Original interior, door panels and seats and stuff are still original in it. Driver's side paint and body is awesome. I mean, to find one of these trucks without bubbles, blisters, stuff like that. Bottom of the cab corner is really nice here. Bottom of the rear quarters. Bottom of the cab corner fits really nice here to the bottom of the door. Lower fender, all our gaps are nice. Driver's side door has no rust in it either. I kind of mentioned the door panels. It needs a little handle thing right here on the grab handle, but other than that, the rest of the door panels and stuff are pretty nice. The carpet's starting to shrink just a little bit here, right below that plastic. The rest of the plastic on it is really nice. As we go through here, here's the wear on the driver's seat. A couple little punctures right here just from in and out. Retractable seat belts. Back carpet and stuff on the seat's good. So I kind of went around it energy, and I didn't see hardly anything wrong with the damn thing.
Really solid truck.
Really nice. Horn works. It's got 171,000 miles on the odometer, but like I said, 2,500 miles on the full frame-off restoration, mechanically done, motor tranny. Gas gauge, amp gauge, oil pressure is way buried over beyond 60 right now. Temp gauge works as well. Wipers work. Of course, our air conditioning works as well.
And they, when they restored this, they started with a solid Southern truck.
Yeah.
And you can tell by the original interior that, it was a good truck.
I found one thing that didn't work is the factory radio. That's why they replaced it with the JVC there. Air blows cool. Windshield's nice and clean. Rear view mirrors tight. One thing that doesn't work is the park indicator. So that's just that little orange thing there. Tells you what gear you're in.
Power windows work well.
Yeah, they do.
I love the speedometers on these old Chevys and
Yeah,
GMCs.
they're pretty cool. I mean, this is the kind of stuff that I grew up in. I mean, I graduated in 95, so 88s were something I could almost afford in 1995. There you go.
Probably a school parking lot was full of stuff like this.
It was. It was. Not short boxes, though.
The only thing this one's missing is it needs a gun rack. Gun rack in the back, and you're good to go.
This thing's got some balls. Runs awesome. Nice little 350 in here. The kickdown works good. Shifts down. Good car.
75. It just cruises. No wind noise.
Nothing. Yeah, 75 mile an hour. Nice and quiet. No goofy vibrations. Steering wheel's nice and straight. Brakes work good. No pull left or right.
Nice truck.
Yeah, it is. Very impressed with it. It's a truck that shouldn't last long, you guys. The dash isn't all busted up. It does have one spot. Oh, that's just the top of the speaker.
Yeah, the top of the speaker. So they put different speakers in there.
They put aftermarket nice radio. They had to cut just a little bit there on both sides.
The box is nice. You got original owner's manual. Very nice.
Back glass is really nice and clean. I think this is going to make somebody a really good truck.
Yeah, it is. Nice truck. Check this one out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Put the link to the website in the description of this video. Price, pictures,
Probably next
details
one
up there.
sold.
Probably. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you guys for watching.